This new phone touted as the world's first AI-powered smartphone. ZTE's Nubia brand officially announced the Nubia NaviX Ultra. The new phone offers 4 color options: black, pink, white and blue. As an AI-powered smartphone, equipped with the Dubao mobile assistant, its first generation product offers a 1-year free trial. The camera module design differs from the current mainstream domestic models, giving it a unique. 2 of the 4 color options feature a striking orange AI physical button, creating a visually distinct effect compared to the body color. While the second generation product further emphasizes the AI traction in its hardware design. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.